welcome to this video tutorial about configuring ActiveCampaign on your custom domain. In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can configure ActiveCampaign on your domain so you're able to send emails from this email server without any issues, and the DMARC check will pass. So I want you to log into your ActiveCampaign dashboard as I have done now, and once you're logged in, we will go to Settings section. Via the left panel, we will choose the Advanced, and here we will be given in the first panel email deliverability. In the authentication, automatically the first option is on. So in order to have it on our custom domain, we will choose the second option, which is I will manage my own email authentication. After I have chosen this, I will be given by 2 DKIM records with the CNAME type. So what I will do is copy the name that I have been given here, and I have already logged into my DNS zone. So you will log into your DNS zone and create a DNS record and choose the CNAME, paste the name. Here I have given with a value, so I will copy it as well, and here I will paste it. So before saving, please make sure to turn off the proxy status and leave it on DNS only if you're using a CDN such as mine, which is Cloudflare. Save the record and add another DNS record. So this is the second CNAME that I have to have. Copy the name, choose CNAME, and here we can copy the value as well. Again, turn off the proxy and save. After I have added these records, I'll have to check and make sure that the dashboard, the ActiveCampaign, has identified my keys. I will check the DNS. I will face this message that your DNS is set up correctly. So they have identified my DKIM and everything will be good now. So when it comes to SPF record, I want to clarify that ActiveCampaign do not support alignment. So they are using their own default domains to send emails. So the return path and the from address domain, when you send an email, they will not match. So therefore the SPF alignment will fail. And it is happening because they do not support it currently. But there is no worry, because DMARC will still pass, because it only requires SPF or DKIM to pass. And as long as DKIM is passing, there will be no issues. However, there's a catch. If you're interested to have the SPF alignment for ActiveCampaign as well, they are providing an enterprise plan which you can purchase, and by contacting their support, they will give you a CNAME record, which is especially for the SPF record, and the SPF will pass afterward. But in case you don't want, nothing will happen and the DMARC will still pass. So now everything seems good. So in my ActiveCampaign, I have created a test campaign. We head to the campaign section, and here you can see it's my test campaign, and we will click on continue. So here I will send a test message so I can test that if my DMARC is passing. So what we can do, we can head to our email EasyDMARC dashboard. So once I have done, I will go to my email investigation section, and by clicking the new test, I will copy the address that I have been given, and here I will send it. So the email have been sent. So after a few time and a few seconds and a few minutes, my reports automatically will be here and I will get it. So for information, I have tested it a while ago, a minute ago, and so everything was good. So I want you also to see the result that I have had. So as you can see, this is the ActiveCampaign results, and as you can see, the SPF is failing because 100% it's not matching with my domain. But the DMARC is passing with DKIM, which is super good, and we are already done, and there's nothing to be worried about. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and keep updated. See you later.